YouTube settings. On this tab you can configure the following settings. First, words. Auto reset cache determines the number of hours Streamer.Bot should be closed before it again counts chat messages from the same user as first words. The reset button forcibly resets this cache. Present viewers. Streamer.Bot checks the chats every minute across all monitored streams and compiles a list of users currently present. Time slider sets the threshold for how long a viewer must be inactive to count as not present. Auto monitor live broadcasts. This checkbox determines whether Streamer.Bot should automatically start monitoring a stream as soon as it goes live. Default tags. This section contains a list of tags for easy access, which you may want to use in all your YouTube streams. The tags from this list populate the submenu in the Broadcasts tab. To add a new tag, enter it in the field and click Add. To delete a tag, select it and click Del. Tags cannot be edited directly. If you select a tag and modify it in the input field, pressing Add will create a new tag instead of modifying the existing one.